IFT Hair Science.
The best hairline artist.
Okay, my name is Dr. Nitul Jain. I'm basically a dentist practicing at Narnaul, Haryana. Actually, I wanted to get the hair transplant done a long time back, but actually was not sure about how the results will come. But one day a patient came to my clinic, and I had seen him like maybe 5-6 years back, and he was like having hair exactly like me. But when I saw him like maybe 10 days back, he had grown very good hair. So I asked him, from where did you get the treatment done? So he told me about IFT clinic at Jaipur. And also I had gone through their profile at Instagram, Facebook and YouTube channels, and there I saw a really good treatment what the people have been doing, particularly the hairline which are they creating. So I was really impressed, and I also wanted to get the same thing done to my face. So I've come here at IFT clinic Jaipur. I met with Dr. Priyanka, and she told me ki yes, my case can also be done with almost similar result. So I will come here to get the treatment. And also I would also like to share how the results will come after my transplant is done, and I hope ki everything goes well. Thank you.
Now you can book an online video consultation with our expert by clicking on the number given in description.
So I got my hair transplant done at IFT Jaipur yesterday only. It took me, the doctors took approximately 8 to 9 hours to complete the procedure, which was totally pain-free. I didn't feel even a single prick of the needle. And the procedure was performed very meticulously, created by like zigzag designing of the hair follicle from the graft area to the receiving area. And it was totally good experience, because in the meanwhile I got 3 breaks in which I was provided a good breakfast and the lunch and the for a tea break also. The procedure got over by around like 7 o'clock in the afternoon. After that we were provided a good room with attached toilet and bathroom, and nice air conditioned room. The stay was very nice, and all the members of the clinic, faculty and the doctors were very nice, cooperative, and were understanding my problem, and they provided me with a very good solution. Thank you IFT for doing a wonderful hair transplant to my hair, and I'm definitely eager and waiting for the results to come up, which I will be definitely more than happy to share with you people in a few months' time. Thank you.